Usually, we start with the notion that if I need to do makeup, it's going to be time consuming. But does it really have to be? Of course not. And that's exactly what we'll prove today. Hi guys, welcome back to Absolute Brushes. If you're new here, I'm Pranjali. Thank you so much for tuning in. In today's video, I'll show you how you can finish a smoky eye which takes around 15 to 20 minutes in just 5 minutes. So if you're ready, let's begin. I'm first cleaning up my lid using the Pack Take Cover Concealer in the shade Stark Nude, and then I'm setting it with new Masterfix Setting Loose Powder. For demonstration, I'll be using the Look of Love palette by Charlotte Tilbury and Soft Glam palette by ABH Cosmetics. I'll first be showing you how I traditionally create a smoky eye. I'm starting by warming up my crease area with this deep plum shade with my dual-ended brush by ABH Cosmetics. I'll be further deepening up my outer corner and my crease area using this charcoal shade with my pack brush in the style 126, and then I'm blending it with my dual-ended brush by ABH Cosmetics. I'm saturating my lid with this rosy blush shade with my flat brush by ABH Cosmetics. And then I'm topping it up with this lid topper that has very fine glitter that helps to lift up this look. Now for my other eye, I'll be using a sponge tip applicator. I'm starting out by carving out a C with this deep plum shade. Picking up this deep charcoal shade, I'm drawing a smaller C just under the plum shade. To blend the two shades in, I'm just slightly pressing on the eyeshadows with my dual-ended blending brush by ABH Cosmetics. To increase the intensity of the eyeshadow, I'm picking up more of the plum shade and redrawing the C on my outer corner. For the lid, I'm saturating it with the rosy blush shade. And I'm topping it up with the fine glitter. I'm quickly gonna clean up around my eye with a concealer. To line my top lash line, I'm using the Norvina liner by ABH Cosmetics. To smoke out my lower lash line, I'm using the same deep plum shade with my pack brush in the style 126. And for my other eye, I'm using sponge tip applicator and then blending it with my fingers. For my inner corner and my brow bone, I'm using this bright bronze gold shade. And to finish up, I'll be curling my lashes and coating them with some mascara. This one's by Mars. For falsies, I'm using the Swiss Beauty lashes in the style Pixie. For lipstick, I'm using a lip crayon. This one's by Faces Canada in the shade Not So Wine. And here is the finished look. Can you tell a difference which I took 15 minutes and which I took just 5 minutes? I frankly cannot, and this just proves that makeup doesn't have to be so time consuming as we assume it to be. So if you enjoyed this video, please don't forget to hit the like button, and if you're new here, please take a moment to subscribe. I post several videos a week. I've left the link to my social media accounts in the description box down below in case you want to follow me there. I love you guys so much, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye guys.